My heart burdened deep, and I am still waiting in silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand through mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. You say I'm strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. More than I can be.